Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be setting my camera. I've charged it and I want you guys to come along with me as I'm setting my camera. If today is your first time in watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the red button down below. I went to August to pick it up with the Sony camera. I bought this as well with 8GB frame. That's the battery charger, I think. Oh, I don't know what this is. Anyway, I'll find out what this is. I don't really know what. That's the Italian plug, or I know Italy they do have this 2 mount. So I don't know other countries what mount they have, which is really cool. That's the UK one. I think this is the battery. That's the camera. I can't wait to use this. There is white and there is black, so I prefer the white one, so I got the white one. The reason I got this is because you can actually raise the camera up so that you can be seeing yourself through the screen anytime you are doing some video. And the one thing I like about it is where you put the memory card is at the side. Most camera, everything will just be at the bottom, which is kind of difficult in case you are putting it on the camera stand. I think you have to charge the battery first before it will be on. So that's what I went to August to pick. It's really cool. I love it. I'm going to on the camera now. So they're asking to set daylight savings on date and time. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Laptop is here now, so it's actually go to www.sonynet. So I'm going to leave a link where I got my camera. I'm on Sony Net PM now. So it's saying I should download. Okay, has finished downloading. Now let's find out where. Yay, it's there. Oh, I'm so happy. Because sometimes if I want to download something on my Mac, it won't go. So I was surprised that we actually accepted it. So I should set this computer as a destination. application, introduction. Yeah, I think I've set the camera, so I'm going to try this and see how it goes, and I'm going to do a video on my phone and also with this camera and see the way, and compare the two together and see the way it is. So I think I have to stop here, and I'll see you on my next video. Also tell me what you think about this camera. Let me know what you think. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.